Welcome back to the Ramcast for January 22nd. I'm Corey and I got some royalty-free music. And with me today is...
Chase.
Callie.
James. A lot of things happened over the weekend.
Well, for starters, Tik Tok got banned. But we'll talk about that later. California's on fire. We got a new president.
Oh.
Guys, we got a new president. Aren't you so excited?
Ugh.
It's my screensaver. Aren't you so excited?
Well, hey guys, it's flu season, so it's a good idea to use hand.
Hey! No!
Let it be noted that it says foam on the bottle, but that was just more of a liquid.
You guys are so mean.
No.
But, you know,
Chase makes it himself.
I think we should go on to announcements after all of
Yeah.
sanitizing everything.
Did you know Grams has a bowling team? Well, we do now. And they are now South 7 champs. Boys and girls teams both.
Woo! Congratulations to the ladies Rams basketball team for their 4th win in a row at the tournament they did.
Rangerette Christmas Classic Tournament.
Okay.
Okay, freshmen, buckle up and get ready for an awesome incentive trip to the SIUC Rec Center on January 24th.
Why'd your accent change like 5 times during that?
Checkmate.
No idea, mate.
Okay. Checkmate. Belleville Rams chess team received 5th place overall in their tournament with Colin White on 3rd place and on board 3 and Colton Clark for 3rd place on board 1. James.
Get ready and stretch hard because on Saturday, January 25th, there is the Wrestling Daisy Tournament, 9 a.m. at Chagnon Gymnasium.
Daisy, I play that game.
Seniors are reminded that submissions for the OHM scholarships are due in the main office by February 7th.
Oh, that's my birthday!
Oh, happy
Happy
birthday!
No, February 7th is my birthday.
Do you have a sweet tooth? I like that game too. Ready as National Honor Society are having a candy sales. NHS will be selling candy during lunch the next 2 Fridays. Candy bars are $2 each, cash only. This is why I'm socialist.
Do you have $2? Can I have $2, please? Oh, okay.
Oh, really?
Okay.
I thought you were socialist.
I literally said that.
Well, why won't you help your good friend here?
Yeah, sharing is caring,
He's a
man.
furry.
Anyways, attention
already
for the mock trial team. Practices are back to normal schedule of Tuesdays and Thursdays immediately after school.
Please consider donating blood on Friday, January 24th in the turf room. To sign up, find a HOSA member or stop by Miss Heinzman's office, room B116 to sign up. And you know what?
What?
I am better than you, socialist. Here,
Which one's
take
economy is collapsing?
some money.
I want some money.
I want some
Give
money.
me some money.
Here's $1.
Give me
I
a
love
taste of
dollars.
capitalism so I can see how it is.
Screw off, parasite.
Oh, I see. How are you gonna promote capitalism without letting me see what capitalism's like? She's gonna rip the dollar.
No! I got robbed.
I got $1.
See the lies of.
As many of you recently know, TikTok was banned by the US government on Saturday. Here to talk about it is our expert social media chill guy.
TikTok. TikTok. Good riddance to that disease. I bid you adieu.
Well, I like TikTok.
Country was already degrading anyway.
Welcome, chill guy.
I'm sorry.
Hi, chill guy.
Hi.
Hey guys.
So, chill guy, how did TikTok's ban affect you?
Well, I don't really use the app.
What? Hold up, what? We hired you to talk about it. How could you not know?
Well, I know things about it, but I just don't have the app.
Can we fire him? Because
Yeah.
he should be able to talk about TikTok. I mean, I can't live without it.
Get out!
Callie, TikTok isn't banned anymore. It's back.
Well, I know, but I deleted it off my phone.
Why would
You
you do that?
idiot!
They got rid of it on the App Store, so
Why-
I can't even get it back.
Piracy,
delete it?
Callie.
Why do you
How are you
really
gonna
need TikTok? You have YouTube Shorts. It's basically the same.
Yeah, you got Skibbity
It
Toilet.
is not the same. They're not the same thing.
Callie, you need help. I have a number you can call.
I think we need to call 911. Just look at her. Callie, have you had your rabies shot?
Well, that's our show. Thanks for watching, and if anyone can help Callie get TikTok back, we would appreciate it.
Hey guys, what is even TikTok?
I'm done. Bye. I quit.
Get out!
Like and
I
subscribe.
know